everybody, it's Janine over at Slow Happy Vintage. I've got a really quick video for you today because this has been sitting on my desk for a long time. I bought this little jewelry jar at an antique store on our trip to Texas, and I'm tired of looking at it like this. I gotta open it up. It's been too long. So we're gonna dig into this and see what we have. When we were on our trip, we stopped at this antique store and I bought a Hattie Carnegie necklace at this one booth, as well as a beautiful Van S brooch. So I really liked this lady's tastes in jewelry. She had a lot of really fancy stuff. So I wanted to see what her discards looked like. This is $25, and there were a couple of things that I saw in there that were interesting. First off, we have a little wooden leaf brooch. Let's see what's going on here. Very crazy 80s earring. Oh, this is fun. So this was originally marked $20. Oh, I kind of like that. These look like they could go together. Those are nice. I have no idea what this is. Let's pull some stuff out. All right, we have little ice fisherman brooch. That's pretty cute. I don't know, it looks like it's made out of polymer clay. This is just not too exciting. More modern, kind of tribal or made in India type necklace. Not thrilled with that. This is a keychain. Is it a popper? I think that pops out, but I don't want to break it. What is this? Is that an earring holder? Looks like an earring holder. I don't know what you would hang it on. Interesting. This is a Kramer that's missing pieces. Okay, so this, oh, this is marked. What is this marked? I don't know what it's marked. Is it celluloid? I've seen these before and I've always been fascinated by them. I don't know what that material is. It's originally marked $18. So I'm gonna have to research that. Apex Art Novelty Company. That'll be a fun one to look up. Put that off to the side. What are you? You're broken something. Okay, so these are the things that I was kind of interested in. I see some verdigris. Well, I can't get that out yet, but we'll just keep pulling stuff out. Looks like some Renoir Matisse earrings, but these do not look to be marked. And what's this? Oh, okay. This is a guilloche little bird. It's enamel. I don't believe it's marked. It's an older piece. This is one of the things that I saw that I was intrigued by. So this isn't such a bad little box here, and we have a dress clip that looks like it could use some repair, but I'm okay with that. And what is this? Ooh. Okay, this is not marked, but it is really pretty, and I can fix that. Okay. I'm not too upset about this. Here's the other matched earring to this one. Neither of which are marked. What are you? You're not marked either, but it's nice to have a little match set. It is missing a rhinestone. These rhinestones are a little harder to find, so that might be a problem, but we'll see what we can do with that. These are pretty ugly, but they match and they're not missing anything. See if I can get oh, this thing looks broken, but I was kind of fascinated by this necklace here. I don't know what it's caught on. I've got a mystery box. Oh, this is quite a mess. All right, what is this? This looks like something parts and pieces. There's some nice salvageable parts in here though. This is very reminiscent of the Miriam Haskell type work, or the work that was done during that time period. Not marked, but I'm sure I could do something. I could turn that into a brooch, take it off. And it looks like we have, oh my goodness, this is, what is this? This is quite a thing here. None of it is marked, but it's got some fabulous pieces on it. I'm not even sure what it's supposed to look like, but the clasp is intact. Beads are flying. So this has got a lot of verdigris on it, but look, it's really fun. And it is broken. I'm gonna have to play with that. We'll see what I can do with that. Okay, this looks like a buckle of some kind. Oh, it's part of a belt. It's missing the other part, but I can harvest stones out of that. And what is this? Bow jewels, but we only have one little earring there. All right, what is this? Craft piece, kind of a stylized butterfly. This was originally marked 27, but it is a little lucite fish brooch, and he's not missing anything. And then we have, I don't think any of these things match. This looks like that matches, but oh, this is a hobe, but the clasp is missing on this one. I don't know if I can find a hobe clasp. I don't know what I could do with that. That's too bad. And then this is a single earring, so that's craft. This is a single earring. I could probably, no, it's a pendant. I could do something with that. We have a little anchor that she had marked for $18. She says it's signed. What is it signed? It is signed. Oh, it's a Carol Lee. It's actually in pretty good shape. Okay, and we have a mother of pearl earring that is a single. Not much I can do with that. Oh, we have another bird. We have an enameled bird that, no, it says Christmas tree. That's not a Christmas tree. That is not marked, but he's a cute little bird. What are these? These are not missing anything, and they are marked Trifari. Are they newer? No, these are older Trifaris, so that's nice. And we have a little butterfly scatter pin that is not marked. We've already looked at those. This is just junk. This is craft earring part. I might be able to use that in something. Oh, these match. They don't march, they match. These are, wait, they're marked. So I looked at these under the loop and they are marked 14K. The little ear wires are 14K. So that's kind of a nice little find for this mystery box. I like it. What are you? Oh, we looked at you. You're Bow Jewels, and you are Kramer, and you are, oh, this is a Carnegie. Had a Carnegie single earring. Too bad there aren't matches for those. So this wasn't too bad of a little box. What do you think? Tell me in the comments. What do you think about this box? This is just a little charm that doesn't look like anything special. So that's a craft piece. That's a craft piece. And what is this? What is this made out of? Is that ivory? I don't think it's ivory. I don't even know what this thing is. It's got a little, I thought it was a flask, but it's not. It's just made to look like a flask. I do not know what that material is. I don't think it's ivory, but it wouldn't, kind of wouldn't surprise me if it was. A lot of times when people have ivory pieces, they don't know what to do with them because you can't really sell them, so they throw them in boxes like this. But I'll have to do some research on that one too. So all in all, not a bad little box. Got some fun pieces. The wood pieces are fun. This is just weird. Got a couple of matched pair of earrings. We've got some brooches. I do not know what this is. I don't even know what I would do with that. I guess, no, I think that goes in craft. Yeah, tell me what you think. Oh, I forgot about the mystery box that says Briar on it. What is in the mystery box? Hopefully it's something fun. Mystery box has rocks in it. Something tells me that these are more important rocks. Let's get the Presidium out and see what these rocks are. Start with this big red one. Is it a garnet? Is it anything else? I don't know. All right, so we've got a garnet there, raw garnet. I'm probably assuming that all of these are going to be little raw garnets. There's another one and another one. What do you do with raw garnets? That one is barely registering, but it is. What are these things? Okay, so these are like a raw jadeite. It's in the jadeite spinel. I do not know. I wish we had a rock shop in town. And this is in the amethyst citrine, also tail end of tanzanite. I'm not sure what these rocks are. They are something. I'll have to find a rock shop. Being that these were in a little box makes me think somebody kept them for some reason, but maybe the antique shop owner didn't know what to do with them either, so she threw them in the box. Well, that is the mystery box that we found on our trip. I'm pretty excited about that. It's not too bad of a box for $25. Let me know what your favorite items are from the box. And oh, for those of you who like to know what types of vintage and antique jewelry I like to wear, right now I am wearing the Avon necklace that I always seem to throw on to layer with other things. And then this right here is a 14 karat gold Essex crystal Springer Spaniel. I used to raise Springer Spaniels, so when I found this one in a group of inherited jewelry, I was pretty thrilled to find that. And then I've got the ring, amethyst in sterling ring. I don't mind mixing metals. I think it's kind of cool. And these earrings are my go-tos as well. I got these at an antique store downtown. All right, I hope you are having a great week. If you have not done so already, please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.